Hello everyone, welcome to Mifra Tech. Today in this section we learn about one channel relay module. It is mainly used in order to control many devices and any like actuators. It is like a switch. So this is how a one channel relay module will look like, as you can see here. So a relay is an electrically operated device, like it has a control system and a control system. Like in order to input circuit, you can control LEDs or any water pump, like any other in the main project. In order to automatically control some of the actuators, you can make use of this relays. So it is frequently used in automatic control circuit. It is an automatic switch of controlling high current circuit with a low current signal. So it takes low current as an input and it control high current circuits. Sometimes like you in your any Arduino program, like in a projects, if you want to if you have to control like the devices like lamps or fans and any household devices, you can control using this relay switch. So how does the relay work? So as a relay is an electromagnetic switch which is operated relatively with a small current that can control a much larger current. As I told earlier itself, it will take a small current as the input and it will control the devices which will take high current using the relay. And initially the first circuit is switched off and no current flows through it until something turns it on. The second circuit is also switched off, like that it will work. So when a small current flows through the first circuit, it activates the electromagnetic which generates magnetic field around it. So as you can see here, this is like inside the relay it will look like this. So whenever as you can see here, there are two circuits I am showing here. So whenever a small current flows through the first circuit, what happens is, as you can see here, there are coil, magnetic coil, this electromagnet which activates it and it generates a magnetic field around it. It turns on the bulb like that. So the energized electromagnetic attracts the contact in the second circuit towards it. So closing the switch, whenever the switch is closed, a much bigger current will flow through the circuit and the bulb will glow. So when the current stops flowing, what happens is the closed circuit will become open. That is contact, whatever the contact it is here, like as you can see here, this will go back to its original position, so that the switching the second circuit off again. So whenever this one come in contact, the switch will turn on and the current will flow through it. So when it is again go back to its original position, the current will not flow, that relay will be like in off condition. So what are the features of this one channel relay? Means it is mainly used digital output controllable module. So it is you have to provide you can use it to any microcontroller like Arduino or Raspberry Pi, anything, and you have to provide a power supply of 5 volts for it. It has a rated current like 10 amps to 5 amps, and control signal is TTL level, that is a transistor to transistor logic level, and it has a maximum switching voltage of 250 AC voltage up to 3 volt, that is 30 volt DC voltage. The maximum switching current is 10 amps. It has a size of 43 mm into 17 mm into 17 mm. This is the whole size of that relay module. So what are the applications, like where exactly you can make use of this relay module? As I told, in order to control a lighting control system and telecommunication, in industrial process controllers and traffic controllers, like in order to control the signals, or motor driver controllers, production system of electrical power system, in computer interfaces, automotives, home appliances. In many applications, wherever you want to automatically control some of the devices, you can make use of this relay, one channel relay. So next we'll see how to interface this one channel relay with Arduino, and we'll connect one bulb in order to turn on will turn on using a one channel relay. So this is how a one channel relay will look like. As you can see here, for this we have to provide a supply, ground, and one input signal. So as you can see, supply I have provided 5 volts through Arduino microcontroller, and ground have connected to ground button. Next, the signal input I have connected to pin number, as you can see, pin number 7 now, that is digital pin of Arduino Uno. This is in order to provide like a signal, in order to get signal send signal to the relay in order to control some of the devices. So here in order to control this bulb, I am using relay here. So that bulb has to be connected to relay. So as you can see, the positive and negative terminal of bulb I have connected here, as you can see here. So this is the simple way in order to interface a relay to the Arduino Uno in order to control a bulb here. Next we'll program it, and then how the program will work. So next we'll see how to program for it. So as you can see, first this is the sample code in order to run this relay. So I first have to set up as a relay we are using as the output device. So I have connected a relay here at the pin number, digital pin number 7 of Arduino Uno. So I am using pin mode number 7 as the output, and initially I am writing this pin number and keeping in the low means that the relay will be in the turned off condition. So after that, in the loop, this has to be like continuously run. So I am using in the loop. So I am starting, I am giving a 3000 millisecond delay. After that, I am making digital write of 7 as high. So I am turning on the relay using this digital write off. I am making the relay high. So whenever I turn on the relay, it will automatically turn on the bulb. So bulb will be like glowing. After that, our delay like 100 millisecond delay I have given. After that, again I am making the delay. After 100 millisecond of delay, again I am making the like relay turning of the relay, so that a bulb will be turned off. So digital rate of 7 or low I am making. Like this you can making high and low, the relay can control the bulb. So in this way you can use relay in order to control any bulb or any like water pump or fans, any other devices you can control using this one channel relay. You can interface with to any microcontroller like Raspberry Pi or Arduino or any Arduino related microcontrollers. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.